Control number 42093, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Sharadik Dalere. I'm 39 years old from Philippines. I'm a single mother. I have blessed 4 kids. His age is 21, 18, 15, and 12. And I have one brother. His age is 44, and I'm the eldest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate at Baccarat National Comprehensive High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To earn money for my family, especially my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, Madam. In Kuwait, as domestic helper, finished contract in 2 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, like feeding, change diaper, change clothes, and preparing foods and medicine.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, like give bath, play with them, change clothes and diaper.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking, baking, and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
In Chinese food, like steam, vegetable, and Filipino foods like adobo, menudo, in Italian, spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm hardworking, responsible, and honest.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did he treat you?
He treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if you will choose me, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I'll finish my contract to you in 2 years or more than. Thank you so much.